Hello everyone. Welcome to NVK Staffing Solutions. We are hiring machine maintenance engineer for Bangalore location. We required minimum 2 years of experience in plastic injection molding machine maintenance. Qualifications required for this position is diploma in electrical engineering or mechanical engineering or bachelor of technology in electrical engineering or mechanical engineering. Mode of interview is face-to-face only. Skills required for this position is, should have experience in plastic injection molding machines with capacity of 500 to 4,000 tons. About our client, it's a Chennai-based company. They are into manufacturing of farm equipments and tractors. If you are looking for job or job change, you can apply on the link provided in the description. Kindly refer any of your friends looking for job change. As per our company policy, you will get the referral bonus for a successful referral. For more job updates, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.